Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today in this video we are discussing radical 1.21 finding without calculator. So watch this complete video and gain the increase the concept. So we write the radical 1.21. So first we change the decimal to fraction. We write 1 to 1 divided by 100. How we change the position of point to right hand side, and how much many number we cross with point. So two number, and we write the in denominator 20. Okay, so 121 upon 100. So we write radical 121 separate, and in denominator radical 100 separate. So we know radical 121 is 11 and radical 100 is 10. So this is 1.11. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next video. And if you want to solve how radical 121 equal to 11 and radical 100 equal to 10, then tell me in comments.